What's going on, everyone? This is Sam and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, guys, is gonna be a little different from what I usually post. But before I get started, I just want to say that I really hope that you guys are all doing okay out wherever you are. I know this is a very strange time to be living in. Everything, at least in my opinion, seems like it happened so fast and no one really expected it to get to where it is now, and there's still a lot of uncertainty about how we're gonna go about solving some of the issues that have been, risen since the past few weeks, and what we're gonna do as a society to kind of overcome what is happening. And I really hope that we come to a solution that benefits everyone, and that we come out of this whole entire thing with the least amount of harm done to both us as individuals and everyone around us. But anyways, with that being said, please do take care of yourselves. Do follow the guidelines that are set out there by CDC, your local state government, and by the federal government as well, so we can stay ahead of this whole entire virus and slow the spread and get back to business as usual. So today, guys, what I want to talk about is I just want to kind of update you guys on what I've been up to and how my Amazon business and my retail arbitrage businesses are going, and what I plan on doing them moving forward in the future. So with my Amazon business, I'm still doing that, and I'm still working on hopefully launching a product or two more within the end of this year. But with everything that's happening, I might have to postpone that just to give myself a little bit of time to better research and find better opportunities that I could take advantage of. But right now, I gotta say, I am pretty fortunate that the product that I have on Amazon hasn't been an issue for me, and actually has been very helpful with what is happening today in the world, and has been seeing a little bit of growth because it has to do with sanitation, and it is an antibacterial wipe, so it does help with all the chaos and worry that's going on in the world right now. In terms of my retail arbitrage business, guys, I'm still doing that too. I am actually, from the last video that I showed you guys, which was me showing you the 17 pallets of the Home Depot tools that I got, out of those 17 pallets, I actually did manage to make the money back on those items, which was about $8,200, which is what I spent on those 17 pallets, and I made my money back, and now I'm just strictly making profit off of those items. To give you guys a gist of how much of those 17 pallets I have left, I would say I have about maybe 9-10 pallets worth of items still left, which is pretty helpful because this will help me continue to sell items as I go along, and it leaves me with enough items to be able to take to the swap meet, or if I do get a chance to maybe have a garage sale outside my house or something like that. But for the future of the retail arbitrage and online liquidations, I'm still going to keep doing that. I'm currently looking for more storage so I can increase and grow this business. Hopefully by the end of the year, I have at least 1 or 2 more storage units that I can store my items in. I would like to buy one that's closest to the swap meet that I go to, and I did find one for the size that I'm looking for at a pretty good price. So once I get that, I will let you guys know, and I'll give you guys a tour on how I'm going to set up everything inside the storage. And again, like I said, it's right next to the swap meet, so it's going to save me on cost as well, because when I do go to a swap meet, I can only fit so much in my car. Fortunately, I do have my buddy who has a truck and a trailer, and sometimes we'll use this truck and trailer as well. But for those weekends that I don't have his truck or trailers and I can't fit everything, I'd have to take a U-Haul, and U-Haul does become very expensive if you have to drive it long distances because they charge you per mile as well. And with having a storage unit right next to swap meet, I don't have to pay all those extra expenses and mileages for the U-Haul. Right now, I'm also looking to purchase a few more pallets as well. I'm currently in the market looking to purchase some more tools. I've been thinking about buying some electrical items as well, like ceiling lights, fans, anything that you see at the Home Depot lighting section would be considered as electrical, and I would be interested in buying something like that too, as I see there's a good amount of profits in those items. And between the tools and the lighting, you can get the lighting for a less cost per unit price because they don't really go for as much, and there tends to be more items within those pallets themselves. Whereas with tools, the cost per unit usually is a little bit more expensive, but you get more big ticket items, and tools go by a lot more fast, and they have less defects as well. So basically those are my goals on moving in the future with my businesses. Like I said, I'll keep you guys posted with my Amazon business. Once I decide that I'm going to launch my next product, I'll make sure to create more videos and show you guys how I go about researching the product, what I do in terms of finding a supplier, getting a product listed on Amazon, and everything in between that I do to successfully launch a product on Amazon. And also with the liquidation business, once I do get another set of pallets, I'll for sure make a nice video of for you guys showing the pallets as they're unloading them from the truck. That way you guys can see how everything looks before I unload them and start selling them. So with that being said, I really hope that you guys are doing well out there wherever you guys are. Practice good hygiene, wash your hands as often as possible, practice social distancing, and let's beat this coronavirus so we don't have to keep quarantining ourselves and being miserable inside our houses, if that is how you guys feel. If not, then stay safe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.